Today we're going to learn how to extract or pull a gradient, a color, or even a pattern from an image. I'm going to make sure I'm on my background layer that's not locked. I'm going to go to Window and Library. Here is my libraries over here. I'll pull it out to make that easier to see. And I'm going to click a plus. Okay. After that happens, I'm going to want to click this CA where it says Extract from Image. And then we're going to open this up in a new panel. I'll bring this over. Okay. And here are some of the things that you can do. And at the beginning, they'll give you a little tour. So first, you can decide what type of asset you want to extract. You can refine it. I'll kind of hit skip. So here is one pattern. I think that looks really cool. And again, right here, you can see where they kind of got that from. So depending on what type of pattern or background or shape you want, you can pull that around the image to go and kind of make different items. All right, and then we could save it. And that was more of a floral. And then a crisscross. You can also adjust the scale and the rotation of it as well. That's a shape. A color theme can be very helpful, especially in InDesign. And if you notice, it's going to give you all of your hexadecimal color codes. And you can even go and drag these to a couple different places in there to make sure maybe you have all the different kind of color parts that you want. Next to last, we have our gradients. Over here, we can adjust the number of gradient stops we have, i.e. how many different colors, different color blending modes are we going to have in our design. And maybe that yellow is a little bit too bright. And there we go. And then we could click Save to the Creative Cloud library. And then we could actually maybe copy that as well. And there we go. So that's kind of a very easy way for you to see how we can go and extract a pattern, a gradient, or shape from an image. And then when I came back over to my design, and I went back to my library, I have that right here under gradients. So that is a captured style. And just for fun at the end, I brought up our Southernly logo. And again, I'm going to click our plus. And then I'm going to do Extract from Image. And it's going to open on the other one. And I think some of this looks really, really cool there. Yeah, I can almost see that on the back of some t-shirts or something. Or quatrefoil patterns are really in right now. I love some quatrefoils. So right here, again, so if you finish your work early, just bring a couple of images and go to Window and Libraries. Click the plus and try to extract something really cool. Thanks for listening to another tutorial. Have a great day.